nag-audition ka ba dito for Pinay Kama Sutra or talagang parang binigay ito para sa'yo, project for you?
It was given to me.
Okay. And next question is, nakikita-kita pa ba kayo ng mga kabatch mo sa The Voice before? Sila Kyle?
Actually, hindi. Pero when I see them, like when I bump into them, it's always like a nice hi, hello. I think yung huli ko lang na nakita recently was Jolian.
Okay.
I saw her at a gig. Dati nakikita-kita ko din si Ella. Yung nakikita ko lang frequently, hindi ko kabatch si Laika kasi parehas kami ng RM. So, yeah.
Okay, and then last question is, nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo na magiging authority on this, na ikaw yung hahanapin pag kailangan ng source person para sa mga ganitong topics, and nakikita mo ba siya magiging parang responsibility mo na ikaw ang sasagot?
I mean, we'll see. I guess I have a lot more to learn about this topic, but I've always, parang yung goal ko kasi ever since I was young is to talk about things that people don't really talk about. And I guess one thing is this. I want people to know that it's okay to talk about these things because it's human nature. You know, so, yeah.
Nakikita mo siyang big responsibility?
It is kind of a responsibility, but for this one, because it's more like a fun and playful special. But I guess there's something deeper to that, no? Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Okay. Thank you, Ataska.
Thank you po.
Alright, meron pa po pahabol na questions? Okay, thank you so much. That was a strong answer.